A ground fault occurs where electrical current takes an unintended path to the ground instead of through the neutral wire, and this can cause the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. Loose connections can cause arcing, which can damage the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker and lead to tripping. Defective components in the hot tub, such as the pump motor or the heating element, can draw excessive current and cause the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. Firstly, try resetting the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker by pressing the reset button. Secondly, use a multimeter to check for ground faults by measuring the resistance between the hot and ground wires while the hot tub is operating. Thirdly, ensure all electrical connections are tight, including those on the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker, the panel, and the hot tub itself. Fourthly, disconnect the hot tub from the power supply and inspect the pump heating element and other components for any signs of damage. Fifthly, if the hot tub requires both 120 volts and 240 volts power, you may need to install a voltage converter or have an electrician rewire the system to separate the 120 volts and 240 volt circuits. Always work with electricity safely and follow all local electrical codes. If you are not comfortable troubleshooting electrical issues, call a licensed electrician. Do not operate a hot tub with a faulty ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. The wiring configuration is not ideal because it mixes 120 volts and 240 volts circuits on the same panel. This can create potential safety hazards. It is recommended to have a dedicated 240 volt circuit for the hot tub with a separate ground fault circuit interrupter breaker specifically designed for spas. If the problem persists after troubleshooting, it is best to consult with an electrician to identify and resolve the underlying issue. In more detail, let's explore the potential electrical causes behind a hot tub's ground fault circuit interrupter breaker tripping and offer some troubleshooting steps. A ground fault is one of the most common reasons for a ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. It occurs when the electrical current deviates from its intended path through the neutral wire and instead finds an unintended path to the ground. This can happen due to damaged wiring, moisture intrusion, or insulation breakdown within the hot tub's electrical components. Ground fault circuit interrupter breakers are designed to detect even small imbalances in current flow and trip to prevent electrical shock. Loose electrical connections can also cause ground fault circuit interrupter breakers to trip. When connections are not properly tightened, it can lead to arcing, which is the flow of electrical current through the air between two conductors. Arcing generates heat and can damage the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker and other electrical components, eventually leading to a trip. Furthermore, damaged or defective components within the hot tub can cause ground fault circuit interrupter breaker tripping. For instance, a failing pump motor, a corroded heating element, or a short circuit in the control panel can draw excessive current or create a ground fault, triggering the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. Now let's dive into some troubleshooting steps and potential solutions to address a tripping ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. The first and simplest step is to reset the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. Locate the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker in the electrical panel that supplies power to the hot tub and press the reset button. Sometimes a temporary surge or minor fault can cause the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip, and a simple reset will restore power. However, if the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker trips immediately or repeatedly, further investigation is necessary. One of the most effective ways to diagnose a ground fault is to use a multimeter. A multimeter is an electronic measuring instrument used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. To check for ground faults, set the multimeter to measure resistance in ohms and disconnect the hot tub from the power supply. Then, measure the resistance between the hot wire, the neutral wire, and the ground wire. A low resistance reading between any of these wires indicates a potential ground fault. However, interpreting these readings requires some electrical knowledge, and if you're unsure, it's best to consult an electrician. Loose electrical connections can be a significant cause of ground fault circuit interrupter breaker tripping. Therefore, it's essential to inspect all electrical connections associated with the hot tub, including those of the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker, the electrical panel, the junction boxes, and the hot tub itself. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. If you find any loose connections, tighten them carefully using a screwdriver. Be sure to turn off the power to the hot tub before tightening any connections to avoid electrical shock. If the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker continues to trip after resetting it and tightening the connections, the next step is to inspect the hot tub components for signs of damage or wear. Disconnect the hot tub from the power supply and carefully examine the pump, heating element, control panel, and other electrical components. Look for signs of corrosion, water damage, burned wires, or cracked insulation. If you notice any damaged components, they may need to be repaired or replaced by a qualified technician. Hot tubs often require a combination of 120 volts and 240 volts power for different functions. For example, the pump and control panel may operate on 120 volts, while the heater requires 240 volts. If the hot tub is wired incorrectly or if there's a voltage imbalance, it can cause the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. One option is to install a voltage converter to ensure that the correct voltage is supplied to each component. Another option is to have an electrician rewire the system to separate the 120 volts and 240 volt circuits, which can help prevent voltage imbalances in ground fault circuit interrupter breaker tripping. When working with electricity, safety should always be the top priority. Before performing any troubleshooting or repairs in the hot tub's electrical system, disconnect the power supply at the circuit breaker. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as rubber gloves and safety glasses. If you're not comfortable working with electricity or if you're unsure about any aspect of the troubleshooting process, it's best to call a licensed electrician. Faulty ground fault circuit interrupter breakers can also cause nuisance tripping. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker continues to trip, it's possible that the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker itself is defective. In this case, you should replace the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker with a new one of the same type and rating. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing the new ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. The configuration where both 120 volts and 240 volt circuits are mixed on the same panel can pose potential safety hazards. It's generally recommended to have a dedicated 240 volt circuit for the hot tub, with a separate ground fault circuit interrupter breaker specifically designed for spas. This can help reduce the risk of electrical shock and ensure that the hot tub operates safely. If the problem persists after trying all the troubleshooting steps, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can perform a thorough inspection of the hot tub's electrical system and identify any underlying issues that may be causing the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. They can also provide recommendations for repairs or upgrades to ensure the hot tub operates safely and reliably. Furthermore, ground fault circuit interrupter breakers are designed to protect people from electrical shock by detecting ground faults. They are required by electrical codes for hot tubs and other wet locations. However, ground fault circuit interrupter breakers can sometimes be overly sensitive and trip unnecessarily. This is known as nuisance tripping. Nuisance tripping can be caused by a variety of factors, including voltage fluctuations, electromagnetic interference, and faulty wiring. If you're experiencing frequent nuisance tripping, there are a few things you can try. Firstly, make sure that the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker is properly installed and wired. Secondly, check for any loose connections or damaged wiring in the hot tub's electrical system. Thirdly, try using a different brand or model of ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. Some ground fault circuit interrupter breakers are more sensitive than others, so switching to a different one may help reduce nuisance tripping. It's essential to understand the basics of electrical circuits and wiring when troubleshooting electrical problems. Electrical circuits consist of conductors, such as wires, that carry electrical current from a power source to a load, such as a hot tub. The current flows in a closed loop from the power source, through the load, and back to the power source. Wires are typically color-coded to indicate their function. Black wires are usually hot wires, which carry the electrical current from the power source. White wires are usually neutral wires, which provide a return path for the current. Green or bare copper wires are usually ground wires, which provide a path for electrical current to flow back to the power source in the event of a ground fault. Understanding the function of each wire and how they are connected in a circuit can help you troubleshoot electrical problems more effectively. In addition to ground faults, loose connections, and faulty components, there are several other factors that can cause a ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. One is moisture. Moisture can cause electrical current to leak to ground, triggering the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. Make sure that the hot tub and its electrical components are properly sealed and protected from moisture. Another factor is voltage fluctuations. Voltage fluctuations can cause the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip, especially if the voltage drops too low. This can happen if there are other appliances or equipment in the same circuit that are drawing a lot of power. To prevent voltage fluctuations, try using a dedicated circuit for the hot tub or installing a voltage regulator. Electromagnetic interference can also cause ground fault circuit interrupter breakers to trip. Electromagnetic interference is electrical noise that can interfere with the operation of the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. This can be caused by nearby appliances, radio transmitters, or other sources of electromagnetic radiation. To reduce electromagnetic interference, try moving the hot tub away from potential sources of interference or installing a filter on the power line. If you're still experiencing problems with the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker tripping after trying all the troubleshooting steps, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can perform a thorough inspection of the hot tub's electrical system and identify any underlying issues that may be causing the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker to trip. They can also provide recommendations for repairs or upgrades to ensure that the hot tub operates safely and reliably. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, or if you're unsure about any aspect of the troubleshooting process, it's best to call a licensed electrician. In summary, troubleshooting a tripping ground fault circuit interrupter breaker in a hot tub involves a systematic approach. Firstly, reset the ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. Secondly, check for ground faults using a multimeter. Thirdly, tighten all electrical connections. Fourthly, inspect hot tub components for damage. Fifthly, consider voltage conversion or rewiring. Sixthly, ensure safety by disconnecting power and using proper equipment. Seventhly, replace a faulty ground fault circuit interrupter breaker if necessary. And eighthly, consult an electrician if the problem persists. Following these steps can help you identify and resolve the issue, ensuring the safe and reliable operation of your hot tub. Additional considerations include understanding the electrical codes in your area, which may have specific requirements for hot tub wiring and ground fault circuit interrupter breaker protection. Also, consider the age of a hot tub and its components, as older equipment may be more prone to electrical problems. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and inspecting the hot tub's electrical system, can help prevent issues from arising in the first place. Furthermore, it's essential to keep the area around the hot tub clear of any obstructions that could pose a safety hazard. This includes keeping electrical cords and equipment away from water and ensuring that there is adequate ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. In addition to troubleshooting electrical issues, it's also important to address any plumbing problems that may be affecting the hot tub's operation. Leaks, clogs, and other plumbing issues can cause water to enter the electrical system, leading to ground faults and other problems. Regularly inspect the hot tub's plumbing system and repair any leaks or clogs promptly. When working with electricity, it's always best to err on the side of caution. If you're unsure about any aspect of the troubleshooting process, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to have the skills and knowledge necessary to perform it safely. By following these guidelines and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your hot tub operates safely and reliably for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained hot tub is not only a source of relaxation and enjoyment, but also a safe and enjoyable experience for you and your family. Therefore, prioritizing safety and addressing any electrical or plumbing issues promptly is essential for maintaining a healthy and enjoyable hot tub experience. The most important thing to remember is that electricity can be dangerous, and it's important to take precautions to protect yourself and others. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician. They have the knowledge and experience necessary to troubleshoot and repair electrical problems safely and effectively.